Hello students, today we start the lesson number 13 carbon, an important element. Now main points are given in this lesson are carbon, that is occurrence, properties, allotropes. Second point is hydrocarbons, and third point carbon dioxide and methane, occurrence, properties and uses. Now some part is omitted from this page, that is I will mark here now. See this. Can you recall this part is omitted? Clear? That is option number 1, 2 and 3. Remember this. All are getting? You have learned that carbon is a non-metallic element. You have also learned about its occurrence in nature in the form of some compounds. Next omitted part is, try this. This is also omitted from here, from our syllabus. Clear all of you? Next. So carbon. The element carbon is available abundantly in the nature and occurs in free state as well as in the combined state. In this chapter, let us study the properties of non-metallic element carbon. What is given in this green box? That is the basic things about carbon. First one, symbol of carbon is capital C. We know the atomic number of carbon is 6. Atomic mass of carbon is 12. So electronic configuration is 2, 4. So valency of carbon is 4. And it is a non-metallic element. Remember this, whatever the basic information given about carbon. All are getting? Make a list of all substances or objects that you use in daily life from morning till night and divide those substances into the columns in the following table. So write any metallic objects in this first column, like a spoon, glass, even key of our vehicles, even compass in our compass box, and etc. Earthen or glass object you entered in this earthen pot. Glass object is so many are there, so you write down there. And except these metallic and earthen or glass objects, remaining all are right in the last column. That is other objects or substances. So we are writing here foodstuff, clothes, medicine, fuels, wooden objects, etc. All are getting? Next. Now look at the list of objects in the last column. It contains foodstuff, clothes, medicine, fuels, wooden objects, etc. So carbon is, remember, carbon is the common and important constituent of all these substances. Next one. Now here some part is omitted, that is, can you recall? This can you recall is omitted from our syllabus, this box. Next. Last one. Compounds obtained directly or indirectly from plants and animals are called organic compounds. What is organic compounds? Yeah, define organic compounds. So this is the answer of the first question. Next. Second one, compound obtained from minerals are called inorganic compounds. That is the second question. What is inorganic compound or define inorganic compounds? all the organic compounds contain carbon. Remember this sentence. All the organic compounds contain carbon. Carbon is the main element even in cellular DNA. The full form of DNA is dicyclo. Find out in science too. Full form of DNA and RNA. So basic part of DNA and RNA is also a carbon. Means carbon is the main element present in the cellular DNA RNA. And that transfer hereditary characteristics from one generation to the next. Very important basic things given here. So two basic questions. Define organic compounds and inorganic compounds. Next. Now this green color and orange color, these two boxes are omitted from our syllabus. Remember, introduction about the scientist is given. If you are serious, if you are interested, then read this green color box. Otherwise, this green color box is omitted from our syllabus. Even some basic information given about the science again. This orange color box is also omitted. But what is the information given in that box says, if you are interested, then read. No any question asked on this omitted or deleted portion. Next. Next point is occurrence of carbon. Occurrence of carbon. The name carbon is derived from the Latin word carbo. The name carbon is derived from the Latin word carbo. Meaning of this Latin word carbo means coal. Carbon is found in nature in free as well as compound state. Carbon is found in nature in free state as well as in the form of compound state also. Carbon in the free state is found as, so carbon in the free state is found as diamond and graphite. Remember this sentence. In which form carbon in free state found in nature? So that is as a diamond and graphite form. And in the combined state or compound state in the following compounds. First one, the carbon is found in a compound or combined state in that following compound. First one, as a carbon dioxide and in the form of carbonate such as calcium carbonate, marble, and third one is given calamine. Formula of calamine is given in the bracket ZnCO3. Calamine is a common name. Its formula is given ZnCO3. So its chemical name is zinc carbonate. Remember, calamine means zinc carbonate. Second, carbon is found in the compound combined state is as fossil fuel such as coal, petroleum, natural gas. Third one is carbonaceous nutrients such as carbohydrate, protein, fats. Now see that. That is our basic substances provided to our body with the help of food. So what is present in that different food? Carbohydrate, protein and fats. So what is present in this? Carbon is present in the compound form or in the combined state. Fourth one is natural fibers such as cotton, wool, silk. So in all these, what is present? Carbon is present. Carbon is found in combined or compound state. Remember. Next. Next is properties of carbon. So allotropic nature of carbon. So allotropy. Already you learn what is meant by allotropy and allotropes of carbon, that you learn in previous standard also. Now see that some elements occur in nature in more than one form. Some elements occur in nature in more than one form. The chemical properties of these different forms are the same, but their physical properties are different. It's called allotropy. What is allotropy? A define allotropy. Question asked like this way. So what is the answer? See the bracket is given. The chemical properties of the different forms of instead of this, what we write there? The chemical properties of the different forms are the same, but their physical properties are different. So that property here called as what? Allotropy. Like a carbon. So which elements are showing allotropes? Carbon is the first. Two more examples are given here: sulfur and phosphorus. All these three, carbon, sulfur, phosphorus, also exhibit the property allotropy. Are you getting? Next. So allotropes of carbon. First one is, we learn here, crystalline forms. So question is asked here for 2 to 3 marks. What is that question? What are the properties of crystalline forms of carbon? Question is, what are the properties of crystalline forms of carbon? 2 to 3 mark question. So already 3 points are given here. That is the answer. What is the first point? A crystalline form has a regular and definite arrangement of atoms. Second, they have high melting points and boiling points. So these crystalline forms of carbon are melt at a high temperature, boil also at high temperature. So that is the second point. Third one, a crystalline form has a definite geometrical shape, sharp edges and plane surfaces. A crystalline form has a definite geometrical shape, sharp edges and plane surfaces. So these are the 3 properties of crystalline forms of carbon given here. So you read these properties and remember, because question is asked on this point for 2 to 3 marks. Now carbon has 3 crystalline allotropes. How many crystalline allotropes of carbon? So answer is 3. Which are of that? So first one is diamond. Already you learned the basic concepts about this in previous standard. So first one is what? First one is a diamond. Diamonds are found in India, mainly in Golconda in Karnataka. Diamonds are found in India, mainly in Golconda, that is in Karnataka, and Panna, that is a Madhya Pradesh. At these 2 places in India, diamonds are found. Diamonds are also found in South Africa, Brazil, Belgium, Russia and America. So at these places, diamonds are also found. Next point. Next question asks here about the structure of diamond. In diamond, every carbon atom is bonded to 4 neighboring atoms by covalent bonds. Already I think we learn about this covalent bond. There are two types of bond, ionic and covalent. So covalent bonds are formed by sharing of electron between the non-metallic atoms. Remember this. So in diamond, every carbon atom is bonded to 4 neighboring atoms by covalent bond. Therefore, underline, diamond has a tetragonal three-dimensional structure, which makes it very hard. What is the structure of a diamond? What type of structure present in diamond? So answer is diamond has a tetragonal three-dimensional structure, which makes it very hard. Remember, observe here. One carbon atom is bonded with the 4 neighboring atoms with a covalent bond, means sharing of electron takes place between these atoms of carbon and forming the tetragonal three-dimensional structure. All are getting? Next one. So that is 1 mark question asked about the structure of diamond. Next one is, what are the properties of diamond? 2 mark, 3 mark, या 5 mark question asked on this topic. Properties of diamond. First one is, brilliant and pure diamond is the hardest natural substance. Which is the hardest natural substance? So answer is diamond. Second one, the density of diamond is 3.5 gram per centimeter cube. So we know the unit of density, that is gram per centimeter cube, yeah, kilogram per meter cube. We learn about the two systems of units, that is the SI unit system and CGS unit system. So gram per centimeter cube is the CGS unit of density, remember. So density of diamond is given here, 3.5 gram per centimeter cube. Third property is, the melting point of diamond is 3500 degrees Celsius. That is very high temperature. So in nature, the diamonds not affected by sunlight even in summer. Clear now? The temperature is maximum 45, 46, below 50 degrees Celsius in summer, and that's why no any effect of that temperature on diamond, because melting point of diamond is very high, that is 3500 degrees Celsius. Fourth property is, when diamond is heated at 800 degrees Celsius in the presence of oxygen, when diamond is heated at 800 degrees Celsius in the presence of oxygen, then what happens? Carbon dioxide, CO2, means carbon dioxide is given away, because what is present in diamond? Only and only carbon atoms, nothing is there inside. So diamond is a pure form of carbon, remember. Diamond is a pure form of carbon, and that's why when diamond is heated at 800 degrees Celsius in the presence of oxygen, what is formed? Carbon dioxide is given away. In this process, no other product besides carbon dioxide is formed. Only and only carbon dioxide formed in this process. Why? Because what is present in diamond? Only carbon, because diamond is a pure form of carbon. Fifth property is, diamond does not dissolve in any solvent. We put in any solvent. Solvent means consider as a liquid. Not like that actually, but that is not dissolved in any other substance, like water, then salty water, even sugar solution, kerosene, petrol, diesel, gasoline, whatever is there. So diamond does not dissolve in any solvent. That is very important property. Number 6. Acids or bases have no effect on diamond. See that. On diamond, there is no any effect by acids or bases also. And 7th property is given. Diamond is a bad conductor of electricity as it does not have free electrons. No free electrons present in diamond, and that's why electricity is not flowing through the diamond. That's why it is a bad conductor of electricity. All are getting or not? Clear? Next one. Now this orange color box is given here. That part is omitted. What is that? A peep into the past. For your knowledge, you read this, whatever that 4 lines are given here. Clear? This part is omitted from our syllabus. Next one. Next point is what? Uses of diamond. Uses of diamond. 2 mark, 3 mark, 5 mark. Anyway, question is the ask, or some important sentences asked in the form of objective questions also. So what is the first use? Diamonds are used in a glass cutting and rock drilling machine. Why? Why that is used in a glass cutting and rock drilling machine? Because we learn very important property in above point, that it is the hardest natural substance. Is this right? First property check now. Check that. Brilliant and pure diamond is the, check here. Brilliant and pure diamond is what? Hardest natural substance, and that's why that is very important. First use is given here. What is that? Diamonds are used in a glass cutting and rock drilling machines. Now second, diamonds are used in ornaments. All are knowing that. Third one, diamond knives are used in eye surgery by doctors at the time of operation. Eye surgery means diamond knives are used in the eye surgery. Fourth use is diamond dust is used for polishing other diamonds. For polishing other diamonds, diamond dust is used. And fifth use is given here. Diamond is used to make windows, giving protection from. Check that. Diamond is used to make windows, giving a protection from radiation in the space and artificial satellite. Check now that what is the last one is given. Space and in artificial satellite. So these are the 5 uses of diamond given here. So today we learn up to only this point. Check there what we learned today. On first page, basic information of carbon. Then next point is see here, that is what is meant by inorganic compound, organic compound. Next point, carbon is present in the form of free state such as diamond and graphite, in compound state or combined state such as carbon dioxide, calcium carbonate, marble, calamine, fossil fuels like a coal, petroleum, natural gas, carbonaceous nutrients like carbohydrate, protein, fats, and natural fiber like a cotton, wool, and silk. These are the 4 examples are given here. So carbon is found in the form of combined state. Next point, Properties of carbon. So allotropic nature of carbon. What is meant by allotropy? That important point is given here. So already we marked this definition. Next 2 to 3 mark question asked on this topic. What are the properties of crystalline forms of carbon? So first, second, third, 3 points are given here. Now carbon has how many crystalline allotropes? So 3. So first one is a diamond. Is it right now? First one is diamond. So diamond is found in India, mainly in 2 places. Kovalkonda in Karnataka and Panna in Madhya Pradesh. Even in other places found in world like South Africa, then Brazil, Belgium, Russia and America. Next. And next 2 point, structure of diamond is tetragonal 3-dimensional structure because every carbon atom is bonded to 4 neighboring atoms by covalent bond that we observed in this picture, that is given alongside this explanation. Next, that's why it is a very hard substance. Properties, 7 properties are given here. And last point is 5 uses of diamond given here. So today's your assignment is this one. That is our today's video is number 25, assignment number 25. That is the first assignment of lesson number 13. First question, define organic compounds. Check that. Define organic compounds. Next, define inorganic compounds. Define allotropy. What are the properties of crystalline forms of carbon? Next, what is the structure of diamond? What are the properties of diamond and what are the uses of diamond? So these 7 questions is the assignment questions related to our today's video. So that we learn in today's lecture. You listen the video carefully and whatever the questions given here, try to find out the answers from our today's video and write in your notebook. Thank you.